The creation of dinosaur movement sounds in Jurassic Park was innovative. Sound designer Gary Rydstrom and his team used unconventional elements. For example, to capture the deep steps of the dinosaurs, they used the sound of popping and inflating balloons to mimic the heavy footsteps. This produced a low, vibrating sound, resembling a large mass touching the ground. To recreate the dinosaurs' interaction with the environment, Rydstrom recorded sounds of grass, leaves, and damaged plants. These sounds created the feeling that each step altered the surrounding landscape. All the sounds were processed in the studio, where frequencies, timbre, and dynamics were manipulated to achieve the desired atmosphere.